achievements, and then we start boasting. फूके मारन शुरू कर देने हैं जी। अच्छा, मैं ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं आख सकता, कोई 1990 कने यही कम में जिंदगी गुजारी है, लफ्ज़ शब्द नाल कुछ नहीं थी सकिया। बट उर्दू का काफ़ी तज़करा आसी, उनके पिछों कोई साजिश कोई नहीं। देयर इज़ नो कंस्पिरेसी अगेंस्ट Urdu or anything. One. Second is, as long as it is a word. So I repeat a line from Bible, which is something like that, कि सब तो पहले कलमा हा, कलमा सबसे अल्लाह दे नाल हा, कलमा ही अल्लाह हा। First of all, there was word. Oh, yes, word was together with God. Oh, actually, word was God. Think of the human beings fight with his own thoughts. Because someone at some point perceived power and sanctity of word. लफ्ज़ दा तकद्दुस उनकी ताकत दा को समझ आए, वो आखन चाहता लफ्ज़ को सब तो above all, और ऊकने पहले गॉड दा खुदा दा ऑलमाइटी दा तस्वुर आ चुका है, शायद कुफर दा तस्वुर आया हो, शायद ना आया। वो आके कि सबसे पहले कलाम था, सब तो पहले कलाम हा। नहीं, कलाम अल्लाह से इंदे कट्ठे आ। कलाम वाज विद गॉड, टुगेदर विद गॉड, कलाम ही खुदा था। I lived with this line, with passion. Urdu. Now, a paradox, a contradiction, a behavioral problem is that many of us, including myself, speak against Urdu. Having said that, that Urdu has words, and words is very sacred, very good thing, not sacred. Urdu has words. So why to be against Urdu? One. But in spite of that, due to the problems of rights, political powers, freedom, blah, 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 equality, these were the problems Urdu unluckily became connected with. Inequality, suppression, state, undue state power, and above all, please think what is the big loss we suffered at the hands of Urdu. हमें साकू उर्दू कनू सब तो वड्डा अजाब क्या मिले, साडे घर दे विच आके, साडे कमरे दे विच आके, साडे कल्चर को, साडे प्यू डाडे दे तौर तरीके को, साडे रहन सहन को, साडी अखलाक को, साडी मोरालिटी को, पता नहीं मैं कितना आखा साडी समाजियत को, एक कातिल साडे घर दे विच कतल करेंगे टीवी मीडिया ते। साढ़ा औरतां आपको उर्दू आंदी नहीं, वो बालों को आदि उर्दू में बात करो। सो बाकी इनका हिस्सा खुद तस्वर करो। दी बिगेस्ट लॉस, नॉट लॉस, द मर्डर, continuously murdering our identities, our culture, our rituals, our behaviors, everything we are losing at the hand of this thing called Urdu. But that's one side. Within one side, there is a contradiction. I am speaking opposite of my own. Urdu is bad thing, it has damaged. Urdu includes words, and words are very good. This is the paradox. We are not against Urdu as long as it is a collection of words and people speak it. And why are we against? We are against the status, the place given to this collection of words. One, let me just skip many, many things. Urdu is not a language technically at all. Let me quickly give you reference, otherwise you will say it is my bias. There is a huge dictionary of about 14,000 head words, each word having at least 5 to 10 derivatives. You can say about 1 lakh words of Indo-Aryan languages compiled by one R.L. Turner, the Dictionary of Indo-Aryan languages. And that dictionary has abbreviations. क्या आदन उनको abbreviation को मुखफ़फ़ात इशारिये language इशारिये जड़े हैं वो कोई तकरीबन 50 के करीब हैं. That dictionary attends 50 derivatives. 50 derivatives क्या होता है? माखूजात. 50 जड़े माखूज हैं निकले हुए लफ्ज़ 50 ज़बानें दे. शिन्ना, जटकी, this, that, Pali, blah, blah, blah. 50 languages ਉਹ ਟਰਨਰ ਦੀ ਡਿਕਸ਼ਨਰੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਉਹਦੇ ਉਹ ਐਬਰੀਵੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਬਣਾਏ. SK for Sanskrit, for instance. S for Sindhi, SI या S for Sindhi. Then for Shina something, B for Bengali. G या GU for Gujarati. Go on and go on. 50 abbreviations. There is no abbreviation in the form of U. Urdu वास्ते कोई abbreviation कोई नहीं. Do I need to repeat? That this authentic dictionary of printed by School of Oriental and African Studies, London, this big, I always keep it with me, and the other is Turner, Monier, that's also a big dictionary, and many, many works. Works of linguistics do not include Urdu as a name of a language. It is Hindi. One more, those who read, just read Christopher Shackle and David, Urdu since 18th century. It's name of book. And you will come to know, okay, this is. Urdu is Hindi, one thing, and so other is, let me directly come to the need of lingua franca. We use Urdu. Whenever I will speak to Khadim Sahib, for instance, any person who doesn't know Siraiki, I am compelled to speak in Urdu. Now there is something a little complex, but not very difficult. Professor Wahid Bakhsh knows, Mian Sahib knows. You are all people who have experience of village. From my area, Saraiki area, experts go to Balochistan, experts in carpentry, experts in many, many things, and they are called Ustad. When an Ustad speaks Siraiki, I have noticed with date in Job, Shagird, learners all speak Siraiki with him. He is one person Siraiki speaker in Job. But all Balochi speaking, Bravi speaking, other people do. If I, for instance, go to the discipline somewhere, Khadim Sahib has some school or something like that, I am a boy of 22, 25, and he is teaching us something. मैं इन्हें को learning वास्ते बनिया. Naturally, इन्हें दी ज़बान मैं सीखा. This is how two peoples are come together, working people. And within a week, the communication is never hampered. Communication कदा ही नहीं रुकती. इंसान communicate कर गिंदे. Language अगर language evolution रही है तो language को पहले किमें करें रहा, इशारे नाल करें रहा, language तो बहुत शानदार चीज़ है. So let me leave it here. Urdu is Hindi, and Urdu is collection of words. We don't hate it. But Urdu has a status which we oppose very strongly. The losses we suffered at the hand of this phenomena, domination of Urdu, one I just explained. It killed our cultures, our livelihoods, our mutual love. Everything is slashed. There are, about languages, there are 3 known behaviors, or 3 known criteria to judge our language behavior. One is correctness, RP. only orthodox, very bad, very old thought, people with old thought emphasize on RP, Scottish accent adopted by royals. RP में वावल ई अदा करो आए सारा. That is, you know better than I, कि इंग्लिश को उनके लहजे RP विच अलाओ ये लोगों के उत्ते एक तशद्दुद होगा कि you must काफ शीन. सेकंड उर्दू आई जाए कम कीते कि उर्दू बोलो भी काफ शीन नाल. सो दूजा बिहेवियर जड़ा है उर्दू नहीं लैंग्वेज के बारे क्राइटेरिया कि लैंग्वेज इज गुड, लैंग्वेज इज फाइन, you and me know it sufficiently. That criteria is intelligibility. Grammar, throw away grammar. Rules, vowel, everything, throw it away. Just only criteria. If I speak and you understand, language is correct. That is how masses live. In UK, I observed working people, mazdoors, live there for 20 years. Even now, if you go, they speak English using nouns and verbs, mostly nouns, ज़्यादातर asma, na, and thode bahut verb. No grammar at all, no tense at all. For instance, their example will be like this, कि एक बंदा वैदा पे अपना लाना, अपना कर्जा वसूल कराना. You come my door, I give